Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and I got this super nice Flagstaff. This is a 2012 model, classic series. They call it a Hardside. It is a model T as in Tom 10RD. Who doesn't want a TP on wheels? I know I do. What about you, Sammy?
I love it.
Hey guys, sorry about all the noise, but we are putting in a brand new driveway, so this is a construction sale, guys. We're gonna give it away very cheap. Check it out. Almost brand new tires, guys. Aluminum wheels. We've got a spare tire on the back, guys. It's got 4-way leveling jacks on it. This is a 30 amp unit, outdoor shower. It's got 2 propane tanks up front. Here, let's check it out. Excuse me, Sammy. 2 propane tanks up front and an auxiliary battery. All the diamond plate that you could want. No leaks, no soft spots, clean title, ready to go, guys. This thing goes up and down with one person probably in about 60 to 90 seconds. So as soon as we walk in to the right is your bed. Guys, we got AC and heat on this thing. You got a mini fridge. You got a 3-burner stainless steel Suburban stove, guys. Stainless steel sink over here, guys. You've got a dinette that also turns into a sleeper. We got a microwave over here, guys. We got our thermostat, entertainment, lighting, power roof vent. Guys, everything you need. There's not a lot to show on this one, guys, but it has no leaks, no soft spots. It's ready to go, guys. This thing is lightweight. Once it folds down, look how much roof space we got. But once it folds down, guys, it's shorter than a standard pop-up. This will fit in your garage, and you can tow this thing with just about anything. So if you guys are interested, hit me up. My name is Chris. I can be reached directly at 704-620-8388. Again, 704-620-8388. CGM Auto Brokers. Come see us in person, 4708 West Highway 74, Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. Visit us online as well, www.cgmautobrokers.com. Guys, remember, we do financing, we do transport, we do delivery. So if you've got any questions at all, give us a call. Mention them right here in the comments, guys. Please like, please subscribe, and remember, guys, most importantly, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.